Filming live from a third-story, one-bedroom apartment in North Mishawaka, Indiana. Oh. Hey, Fat, you're on the air.
Oh, hello. Hello, North Mishawaka, in the third-story high-rise, reporting in a duck-type weather. Whack, whack.
Whack, whack. And anyway, welcome to the show. Fat T's on the line. Fran's on the other line, but she's not going to say nothing. Anyway, so now that the table is set, let's proceed to eat. I mean, how was the game tonight, Fat?
We stuck it to them early, and they came back a little bit, but then we stuck it to them late, and it was a 42-13 victory. So,
who'd they play?
South Bend Adams is not too bad. They're pretty good.
Up and coming.
What's that?
I said they're up and coming.
Yeah, they got a good quarterback and some guys that catch the ball. So.
Not bad, not bad. So I worked tonight. Lots of people came in, interested in eating and the chat. So I chitted and chatted. I had my girl Fran chit and chat for me sometimes.
So you say it was busy but not overwhelming.
Well, for a little bit it was.
Yeah.
Just for a bit. But not so bad. But now I'm home. I'm half wet. I can't wait to get out of this wet shirt and get into something more comfortable, like no shirt.
Good idea.
I can't wait. Anyway, welcome back to your 5-day 182 take 2 service engine soon light edition. Well, I went to a second AutoZone. The first AutoZone, he kind of wouldn't check my engine light for me. He said it's probably the fluids, so he wasn't super helpful. So I went to the second AutoZone. Thankfully, there's more than one in town. The one on Bendix and Lincoln Way, and he said, "It's the gas cap, fool." So I had my doubts about what it was, and now I just need to somehow get the light to go off, and I'll be all set. I bought a new gas cap for $12. Actually, $14 with the tax and everything. With the governorship.
Well, you got the old interweb and you know the make and model. You can search the interweb and they'll probably tell you how to do it. I think it's a simple thing with the ignition key and you do something. Because I know after I reset my oil thing, when it tells my oil's due for an oil change, it'll pop on and I can't get rid of it. And the guy's like, "Oh, you just do this." I'm like, "Okay."
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe I should try that.
It might go away if it was just a vacuum leak like that with the cap.
Let's see. Get rid. No, not right. Rid of chipmunks. No. Service engine suit light. There we go. Battery disconnect method. Ensure ignition switches.
That's true. That's one way to clear it. If you disconnect the battery and leave it off for like just 10 minutes or whatever, go do something and come back and then reconnect it. I think that's one way that then it'll go off and then it'll pop back on again.
There's a nice YouTube video.
So that's reliable.
I removed the PCMB fuse for 5 minutes. That sounds complicated.
I think I would just take off the battery terminals carefully. Maybe I can help you on, I don't know. I'm still busy working on my car. my car is up on a jack at the father-in-law's, ex-father-in-law's house, Rob's house, and Cheryl, and Erica's mom and stepdad, because we spent like 4 hours trying to knock off this hub and couldn't get it off. The first, like, we were faster than the guy on YouTube the first part of the show, then all of a sudden we got stumped with the rusty bearing that wouldn't come off.
Father-in-law. Father-in-law. That guy knows everything, too.
Yeah. So we're going to tackle it tomorrow night after the football game, or Sunday I'll just do it with him. So, plus we're going to look at the car I'm driving. I've got a loaner car. It's Kylie's car that she dropped off over there. She's in Chicago with her girlfriend driving. So it's all working out for the time being.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Well, I'm home alone tonight.
We were covered in grease and everything else, but yeah, we tried everything we could do, and we even had a rental tool that was cost me $170 to rent, because you rent it and it's replacement value, but you get the $170 back when you bring it back.
Oh, sounds good.
Probably said too much.
Yeah, I probably said too much too, Fat. Anyway, knock on wood, keep it classy anyway. And until I see you mañana, I bid you all arrivederci and adieu. Oh, that was nice. Hold on, Fat. Make sure this is totally off the air. And no responding. Not responding, it says.
I hate that show.
Yeah, who loves the show that's made for you and me? HANDLEBAR. Handlebar.
What's this?
Handlebar.